Newsflash, I thought I would turn the bubblers on. I've got the water on, and I thought if that was the only thing, then these should be on, and they're not. They're still not. Can you believe that? They're still not going. Looking at that bubbler right there, no water. And so not only was it mashed there, I know there's got to be some more roots down in here doing the same thing as this. So digging I will go tomorrow. And I thought, well, maybe it's over here and there's a T over here before another root mashed. And I go over here and look at any of these bubblers. They should be on, and nothing's coming out. And I know I had another one over here. Down here. That, nothing. That's on the same system. Can you believe that? And I'm thinking, since we moved in here, 8 years ago, I'll bet you these have never worked, and those have never worked over there. It's just, these plants aren't dying. The summer is not that long here, and this stuff can pretty much live without hardly any water, apparently. But I can tell they just don't look vibrant. And I'm thinking maybe these have not gotten water, hardly any water at all, for 7-8 years. Okay, so my work is not done. My work is not done, but I know I'm going the right direction, getting that there, and see this one here, see there? See how much water that's going? I even cut that off before, and that water will spray out of there. Will squirt up and hit the wall. And so that should tell you there should be full pressure down here. The sprinkler is not on the drip, okay? That's on a different line. Those two pipes are different ones. And so there's got to be another one mashed up. And hey, I'll keep working on it tomorrow. It is not going to defeat me. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And the more you watch, the more you'll learn.